In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive sync problems. If you've ever encountered issues with your OneDrive not syncing properly, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this guide, you'll have the tools and knowledge to get things back on track. Let's dive in and explore some practical steps you can take to resolve these pesky sync issues once and for all. First, let's verify that OneDrive is up and running. Check the status of the OneDrive icon in the system tray on your taskbar. This little cloud icon is your first indicator of how OneDrive is doing. Click on the icon to open the OneDrive app and see if there are any error messages or alerts that need your attention. These messages often provide insight into what might be going wrong, so take a moment to read through them carefully. Next, we'll want to ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection could be the root of your sync woes. Try opening a web page to confirm your internet is working. If you suspect connectivity issues, restart your modem or router and see if that resolved the problem. Now, if both OneDrive and your internet appear to be functioning well, let's delve into checking your OneDrive account settings. Open the OneDrive app, navigate to the Settings section, and confirm you're signed in with the correct account. An incorrect account or a sign-in issue might be the culprit behind the syncing troubles. If necessary, log out and back in to refresh the connection. Let's delve deeper into your PC's sync settings. Sometimes minor configuration hiccups can lead to big sync problems. Visit the OneDrive settings again and verify that your sync settings are properly configured. Pay special attention to the network speed setting. If it's set too high, it could overwhelm your connection, leading to sluggish sync speeds. It's also a good idea to look for any pending updates for your OneDrive app. An outdated version might not work as efficiently as the latest one. Head to the Microsoft Store or navigate to OneDrive settings and select About. From there, check for updates. Keeping your software updated ensures you're benefiting from the latest fixes and improvements. If your sync problems persist, let's clear up some space and verify there's enough room for OneDrive to operate smoothly. There may be underlying file conflicts, so explore the OneDrive folder for duplicate files or folders with challenging file names. Be sure to resolve these or rename conflicted files to allow syncing to resume smoothly. Finally, if more immediate methods haven't resolved the issue, consider unlinking and reconnecting OneDrive to your device. Remember that unlinking won't delete any files from your PC but will simply remove the sync relationship. You can quickly reconnect and re-establish the connection by logging back in. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be well equipped to tackle any OneDrive sync issues head-on. Remember, patience and a methodical approach are key. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you encounter further difficulties. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you sync smoothly again with OneDrive.